Hi friends, we are going to play a game called Spin and Make 10. Here are the directions, so listen closely. 1, we're going to spin each spinner to find our add-in. 2, we're going to write each of our add-ins into our equation. 3, we're going to make 10 using our 10 frames and counters. And then 4, we're going to rewrite the equation using 10s and 1s. An example has been done for us. Here, they spun the spinner to find our first add-in. They spun the second spinner to find our second add-in. Their equation was 6 plus 8 equals 14. Looking down here, I can see 6 red counters and 8 yellow counters. They needed to make 10, so they dragged 4 of the 8 yellow counters to make 10. So now they have 10 here and then 4 down here. Their new equation was 10 plus 4 equals 14. As you can see, the sum for both equations are the same. Let's go ahead and get started. So let's spin our first spinner. And we got 7. So let's write 7 here. Let's spin our second spinner. And we got 9. All right. So now let's drag our counters to find the sum of each equation. Okay, so we need 7 red, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and now we need 9 yellow. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Sorry, it looks a little messy. Okay, so now we're going to add, or we're going to count to find our sum. So we have 7 here, so 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So 7 plus 9 equals 16. Okay, so how could we make 10? Right, by dragging 3 of these yellow counters up here to fill in these spots to make 10. So let's drag 3. Okay, so now we have 10 up here, and let's count how many we have down here. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 10 plus 6 equals, so we have 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So 10 plus 6 equals 16 as well. Look, as you can see, the sum for both of these equations are the same. So if you know the sum of this first equation, then it's going to be the same for your second one. But let's give it one more try, okay? And I'm going to leave the link to this game in our slideshow. So if you want to have some practice or play with a friend, you definitely can. Sorry, this is taking a while. Okay, let's go ahead and let's spin our spinner again. So here's our first one. And we got 7 again, okay. Let's spin our second one. And we got 6. All right, 7 plus 6. So let's go ahead and grab 7 red counters. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And now we need 6 yellow. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, now let's add to find our sum. So we have 7 up here, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So 7 plus 6 equals 13. Now let's make 10. How can we make 10? Right, by dragging 3 yellow counters up here to make 10. So now we have 10 up here. How many do we have down here? Right, 3. So our new equation is 10 plus 3. And 10 plus 3 is 13. All right, well, thank you for playing Spin and Make 10 with Miss S today.